is Kancharla.
I'm Shandon Sukumar.
And this is EDU Connect, our submission for the FBLA Coding and Programming event for 2024. Our product. EDU Connect is a free, accessible software that is designed to run on any Windows or Mac machine that allows users, mostly school CTAE departments, to collect and store data about businesses and community partners. The tools we use include Java, which is the main coding language used to create the GUI and the program, Eclipse, which is used to code the application and view the program from the user's perspective, and Canva, which are used to create all the logos and creative aspects in the program. Along with those three, we use the H2 database, which stores information about the user, such as a username, email, and password, and the SQL database, which have a similar purpose to the H2 database, but it also help return the data to the user.
Now let's move on to the actual code. So when the user first opens their website, it will bring them into our login page. But the user first needs to create an account before they can actually log in. So for the user to create an account, they would have to click the sign up button, and they have to put their email in. They can put their user ID in, whatever user ID they want. We're going to use admin for the sake of this demonstration, and a random password. And if the user wanted to change their password, they would have to click the reset password button. So they put their email in again. Have to be a proper email, and they would just put they would just change the password to the new password, and they would reset. Now the user can log in. And it would bring them to the home page. The home page, we have our logo and a quick description of what our website does. It basically just says we have many pathways on here, and dive into the pathway to find your perfect match. So we have a menu bar at the top here that lets you transverse through the different pathways: computer science, business, healthcare, or you could return home if you want. So let's go to the computer science pathway. In the computer science page, we have our logo, our the name of the pathway, and a description of the computer science pathway. It just says students learn about coding, cybersecurity, and tech. Let's look at one of the businesses that partner with our school. So this is Google, and in Google we have the organization type, the resources available, and the contact information of the company. Now we can move on to business. And in business, we have our company logo, the name of the pathway, and a quick description of the pathway. It's just saying students learn about selling products, managing finances, and starting their own ventures. And we're going to use JP Morgan, Chase, and Co. as an example. So in this page, it has the company name, the organization type, the services, and the contact information. And finally, we have healthcare. In healthcare, we have the company name, our business name, sorry, and the pathway name, and a description of the pathway. It just says students educate students in order to improve healthcare and via diagnosis and treatment. We use Cleveland Clinic as an example here. So I'll have the company name, the healthcare institution as an organization type, the services, and the contact information. Well, that is EDU Connect. Thank you for your time, and thank you for listening to our presentation.